What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna be clear coating my front headlights. We're gonna sand them, and I was gonna put tint on them. Now thinking about it, I'm actually afraid that I'm not gonna be able to see at night, so I'm just gonna clear coat them. That way they'll be crystal clear. I'm gonna be taking them apart so the inside will be black instead of chrome. I already did that one, and I just gotta do this one. There you go, they're both ready to clear coat, but before I even start clear coating them, I want to take them apart. That way I don't scratch them up or anything. You guys, so I was editing this video and I realized that I did not fully record the process of actually painting the inside of the headlights and clear coating the lenses, but I think the camera died or whatever. But here's the finished product of them. As you can see, I painted all that inside black and left that gray or silver, whatever you want to call it. But I hope you like this video, you guys. Stay tuned for more. We're actually finna go pick up the Project OBS, so make sure you stay tuned for the next video after this. Thanks for watching. Peace.